Okay, we are doing a stock valuation on Facebook. These are using random numbers, so these do not resemble any sort of actual data to Facebook. But we are valuing the stock, and we have we're estimating that our stock price in 5 years, right? So it's going to be P5, right, is going to be $60.86. Okay, $60.86 in 5 years, right? It tells us that. So we know the price in 5 years is $60.86. So the riskiness of the stock, we estimate we need a return here of 27% for the next 5 years. So we know that D1 through D5 are all going to be equal to $7.54. Okay, so we're trying to figure out here exactly how much the stock is worth, and the model that we're going to be using on this one is the dividend discount model. Okay, now remember, when we're doing this, is that the basic part here is that we're trying to figure out the price today, P0, and that is going to be equal to the basic part here is that our dividend at time period 0, it's our dividend at time period 1 divided by 1 plus R, plus the price at time period 1 divided by 1 plus R. Okay, and now in order to find P1, right, remember that P1 is equal to D2 divided by 1 plus R plus P2 divided by 1 plus R. So when you extend this out, P0 equals D1 divided by 1 plus R plus D2 divided by 1 plus R squared plus P2 divided by 1 plus R squared. Okay, so that part has been explained in a number of earlier videos. So what we're looking at here is we're looking at in 5 years. So we have P0 is equal to D1 divided by 1 plus R plus all the way out to D5 divided by 1 plus R to the 5th plus P5 divided by 1 plus R to the 5th. So we're going to plug these things in here. We have 754 divided by 1.27 plus, and then we have years 2 through 4, and then we have 7.54 divided by 1.27 to the 5th, plus we now have $60.86 divided by 1.27 to the 5th. Notice how we put that P5 out there, and we still have to discount that back because that's saying, hey, in 5 years I can sell this stock for $60.86. It's not worth that today. It's worth that in 5 years. So I still have to discount that. Okay, so we come up with here is we're trying to figure out what that price is today. And what you notice is that if you recall is that this part here, we can compute this like an annuity, right? We have equal payment levels, and this one out here we can compute like a lump sum. So we can use this in the same way we do our bond valuations. And or we can just do them individually, plug each one of them into the calculator, pull it all out, and then do that. But the point here is that we come up with a price level of $37.89. Okay, so if you are attempting this, make sure that when you plug this stuff in, is that you're coming out to that $37.89 number.